We come to question 28, which is as follows. An amount of money was shared between Peter and John in the ratio 2 to 3. If John got 600 kwacha, calculate the amount of money shared. Okay, so to find the amount of money that was shared, first we need to find the total of the ratios. So we have got 2 plus 3. So we find the sum. So 2 plus 3 will give us 5. Okay, so in this case, we know that the ratio of 3 held John 600 kwacha. Okay, how much will the ratio of 5 give us? We don't know, because that's the total amount we need to find. Okay, the total amount of money we need to find. So what we do here, we cross multiply. Then we say 3 times x will give us 3x, which is equal to 5 times 600 kwacha will give us 3,000 kwacha. Okay, then what we do now here is we divide both sides by 3. Why? Because we want to remain with x on one side of the equal sign. So that means the 3 down here will be cancelled, and the 3 on top will be cancelled, leaving us with x. Okay, which is equal to, then we say 3 into 3, it will go one time. Okay, or we can say 3 down, 1. 3 on top will give us 1. Then we say 1 into 1,000 kwacha will give us 1,000 kwacha. So the amount that was shared was 1,000 kwacha. The amount that was shared was 1,000 kwacha. So if you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section. If there are no questions, please don't hesitate to like our video and also to share this video.